In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign bills or expenses to customers in Xero. This guide will help you allocate expenses more effectively to your clients or projects, making your billing process seamless. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Xero homepage. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already comfortable with it. Now, located on the main dashboard, you should see the option labeled Purchases. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the section where all your purchases, including bills, are managed. Once you've entered the Purchases area, you'll see a button for Bills. Clicking on this will lead you to a list of all your bills. It's important to verify that you're viewing the correct list. So, filter your search if you have a large number of entries, to make it easier to find the specific bill you're looking to assign. Scrolling through your bills, select the bill you want to assign to a customer. Choosing the right bill is crucial, so double-check the details to ensure it matches the expense you need to allocate. When you've confirmed the correct bill, look for the Bill Options button, which should be visible on the page. Now, click on Bill Options, and from the drop-down menu, select Edit. This will open up the detailed view of your bill, where you can make all necessary modifications. Within the Edit mode, there's a feature that says, Assign expenses to a customer or project. This is where the magic happens. Click on this option, and it will allow you to specify which customer or project the bill should be assigned to. As you proceed, ensure that the customer or project you are assigning the expense to is correctly selected from the drop-down menu. It's quite easy to make a mistake here, but taking the time to verify the details will prevent any future errors. After you've assigned the bill, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom of the page when you're in edit mode. Click Save to ensure that all the changes you've made are recorded. And there you have it. You've successfully assigned a bill to a customer in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but it requires careful attention to detail to ensure everything is correctly allocated. By following these steps, you can seamlessly manage expenses, ensuring they're accurately reflected in your customers' accounts. I hope this guide was helpful. With practice, you'll find it becomes second nature to assign expenses in Xero, optimizing how you handle client billing. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy accounting!